Okay, I'm back. I'm sorry about that, guys. My battery died. See, I'm plugged up now. So we can finish the video quickly here. Rashida, these ones that you see that are in these little black bottles and the brown bags, like this, are from carbon cell compounds. These herbs are from Arietta. Don't do that, baby. Excuse me. These herbs are from the co-op that I go to my local co-op. My local co-op, really any co-op, they have a section there, and if you go look on the wall, there are at least 30 Sebian herbs there. As you can see, I stockpile what I can because they are a bit expensive. They go by the ounce. So I've got 4, 8, 9 different herbs that I did at the co-op. I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 herbs that I got from carbon cell compounds. And I've got 1, 2, 3, 4 of them that I harvest on my own, that I forage by myself. 2 from the Mexican market. This one in the arnica from the Mexican market. Yes, baby, we see. And 1 from the grocery store. I got some ginger. I got some of the ginger from the grocery store. So there's lots of different sources and lots of places that you can see here. But the main bulk of what you're seeing, my compounds that are already pre-made, because remember I told you guys my condition is detrimental. I did not have a lot of time. I was running up against time. Adia, give me that, please.
That's doo-doo.
Yes, it's not doo-doo, baby. It's ginger. I know it looks like doo-doo, but it's not. She's 2 years old, guys. Well, she'll be 2 this December. She thinks that the de-thawed ginger looks like boo-boo, so that's why you hear her saying that. But, yes, baby, but here, don't do that. Go watch your show before I turn it off. So, you are seeing a lot of stuff from Triple C. Y'all see me yell about Triple C all the time. I'm like, go to Triple C, go to Triple C, Triple C. This is why. Triple C not only is going to offer you loose herbs, they also offer you therapeutic cellular cleanse packages. And you can talk to them and let them know what you need, and they will take care of it. I spoke to Carbon Cell Compounds. I'm not using their real names because these are real people. They're not some type of office out in the middle of some rich land and you can never get to them and everything is over. No, that's not what this is, guys. This is real people. A real guy that has real people in the woods picking herbs for him in the forest, in the jungle, just like Dr. Sabi did, okay? So this is where all the doctor said no monkeys jumping on the bed. Okay, if you wait, okay. Okay. So just so that you guys know, Triple C is going to be following these videos. You can feel free to contact them via their website or their Facebook page for help with anything. But I'm also going to be giving you guys instructions on what I'm doing as I do it. Like I said last night, the majority of these are 2 pills in the morning and 2 in the afternoon. But they're not pills, they're capsules. And as I said, 2 of them are loose herb. The Iron Plus is a loose herb. This is going to be after I'm done with my cleanse. And then you've got the other one. Where did it go? This one is loose, but it's the Iron Plus Immuno. Okay. That's also loose herb. And as you can see, I don't know if you guys can see it, but the Echinirvi is also loose herb. Those are the ones where you're actually going to be taking a tablespoon in the morning in some tea. Now, okay, hold on. Oh, you're getting heavy to be up on mommy's hips. Okay, so these that you're seeing over here, like I said, I'm going to make some compounds of my own, but I'm also going to make some tonics, which is why I've got that giant bag of elderberry there. I do intend on getting my hands on some more elderberry very soon because of the Bonju. Yes, baby, that's fine. Banju is a tonic. It's a liquid tonic, and I intend on making me some. So, and I know that elderberry is one of the main ingredients in the Banju from what Dr. Sabi said. So I'm going to be doing that to make some tonics. And I'm going to wrap this up, guys. That's it for now. Hush, Arietta. Don't be like that. You're acting selfish, and I don't like it. So I'm going to wrap this up, guys. I'm about to go ahead and get my water ready. As you guys know, I've got that gallon over there, but I've got a little turd on my hip right now. Don't hide your face now and cover your ears now. You wanted to be up here. You up here, little itty bitty little. But I'm gonna go ahead and get to my water and make me some tea, everyone. And I will be documenting everything on YouTube. I love you all. Peace and blessings and healing. Amani Nabalingo, and as always, namaste.